The Lord will bless everything you do.
Amen.
Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand.
I have this concept. I think I've shared this breakfast. There is a suspected trespasses sa single family.
Hearing one, and I'm sure you may have an activity together. Last week, we checked out, sulti na po si Clara na ang mga ma, bahala din na ang forward mo. Kanang sakit ka ay.
Service na gawin ka sa iyong pinili. Year 2022 during pandemic, napati niya nga naluin ko nga kalong iyang ginato pero
Murag kauso lagi ko liban ng bagong service, which akong gibasulan yun. Anyhow, in the womb, I know you. Before you were born, I set you apart. I appointed you as a prophet to the nations. Ako ni siyang gibasa kay
wala na ko nagpakin sa cheesy and everything. I tried to heal myself but I'm like enough na ko.
There is no sorrow to
end with this story and to end with this pandemic. Kung saan akong mahimo for the grace of God. Kaya mo ba? Start of manasal. Release na sa
teaching. Greed versus grace. G versus G. GG. So, greed versus grace.
In Luke chapter 12 verse 20, there's a guy na ano siya, mangontrata ko blood control, billions ang kita. Why limit niya nga to siya sa alcohol kay nagpuking kontrata nga to sa wari-wari. Why limit niya po? Sige siya tigo kay kaning mga blood control contractor rin may mabangko. Diba yung mga bangkira di kay nag-trace mo is bangki. Naghimo siya o barn, utanganan, ano mga steel na cabinet, human of steel. Utang nila ilang kwarta. After a night, abot ang billions, 65 billion yung control. Ano pagkakontrol sa night? Ang iyang natigong naabot na 200 billion, pagkagabi i-atake sila. Abot sa segundo, patay. The message is that greed tells us to save. Greed tells us to take. But grace, GG money. Grace tells us to give. Greed tells us, one of the sharers say, napunta ko sa ubang nasod, it's about me. But grace of God tells you, it's not you. It's not I, but it's you. That's the difference between greed and grace. We could have stay at home. That's I. That's greed. Ano mo? Magpala ko sa Bukian. Ako sa usawa na kung bago magpala ko sa Bukian. Magpala ko sa Papa. I have to work even Sunday. That's greed. But the grace of God, it questions what you are giving. The best question we should ask ourselves, what's our bucket? What's our salary? We always ask this one. When I was here,